Part 4. Alright, we don't expect to finish this problem today, but we're at least set it up and get started. So we have T2 sine of 140.
On this to this quality work right here.
Sine of 140. And we have to switch this to weight. Weight equals mg. And we're going to find out. Brandon, could you give me the weight? It's 5 times 9.8. And just give it to me in 2 seconds. Alright, 49. And so I'm going to put negative 49 for the weight. Alright, I'm not expecting T1 to equal T2 this time. Alright, let's start. We'll start with the horizontal ones first. You do not have to, but we'll do that. The horizontal ones I work in pink. So I'm going to have the sum of the forces equals 0 because it's still. It's not moving left or right. So the sum of the forces are, there's a T2 cosine 140, and there is a T1 cosine 30, and there's no other forces in the horizontal direction. Alright, Brian, could you get me some numbers? What's the cosine of 140? Make sure you're in degrees. Negative what? 0.76? Okay, I'll do 0.77 because it's rounding up. I'll just take 2. And so, Brian, what is cosine of 30? Oops, I made a mistake. 2 hands up. Where's my mistake? Something wrong on this line. No, it's not? Okay, never mind. It's right. Alright, cosine of 30. Same thing. Because the cosine of 30 is the same thing.
Maybe 0.77.
No, 0.8.
7.
Oh, that's right, because it's 30. 0.87. Alright. All we can do is move one of the tensions. We can't add these. They're unlike terms, tension 1 and tension 2. So I get tension 2 times, I'll put the 0.7 out in front, move this one over, I get negative 1.87.
It would be negative
It's
0.77.
T2 is negative.
Oh, it is already?
Like the 0.77 is negative, yeah.
Okay, there you go. So it's already negative. I probably would have moved that one over. Let me go back and do that. It doesn't matter which one you move over. So T2, I'm going to move it over here just to work in a positive direction. So I'd like to take the coefficients out in front. And when I move the negative 0.77 over, I get positive 0.77. All right, let's solve for T1. I need, who's up next on the calculator? Emily, 2 divided by 0.87. So I need 0.77 divided by 0.87.
Yeah.
0.8.
When in doubt,
Point what?
0.89.
0.89. Can we go any further down that rabbit hole? No, we hit a dead end, but it's going to be useful in a little bit. All right. Just to make sure I'm on the right track. Emily, would you do a calculation for me? Do 1 divided by 0.89, but nobody write it down. Just tell me.
1.12.
Thank you.
Sure, Emily.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm on the right track. It's just that when I did this one earlier, I solved for T2, but it doesn't matter which way you go, as long as you have solved for one or the other. Switching over to blue. This is as far as I can go with the horizontal information. So, sum of the forces equals 0. So there are 3 of them. T2 sine 140 plus T1 sine 30 minus the weight, which was 49, equals
That.
0. All right, Emily, 1 sine of 140,
0.64.
0.64. And sine of 30 is 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I told you we wouldn't finish. Alright, we will finish that. We'll pick it up tomorrow
This is
right
Alex
there.
Santana
and
logging
find
off
the
from
tension
WBAL
in both
TV 11
wires.
News.